Alright, so the thing I have for you today is something I call T-charts, and I think T-charts are a tool that anyone who has ever forgotten a multiplication chart or multiplication fact should just know. And so I want you to go ahead and make these and have them in your math journal, and they'll be a resource for you. So it's going to be really important that you've done them right. So the idea behind a T-chart is just that you could use this if you've forgotten a multiplication fact. And I know we all probably know our twos, but let's go ahead and start there. So the first number I write in the T-chart is always the number that I'm doing the chart for. So this is the twos. And then the way I would read this is 2 times 1 equals 2. And then if you know that 2 times 2 equals 4, or if you just know that if you're multiplying by twos, you're counting by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then you would do that. And so the whole point with the T-charts, though, is that you can kind of use the dots to help you count on if you need that, okay? So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I'm kind of touching the dots as I go there, 17, 18, and no, I don't really need to with the twos, but I might down here with the sevens, and so I just kind of get in that habit. When I'm doing T-charts, I know that anything times 10 is going to end in a 0. So if I get to the bottom and my final number is not something that ends in a 0, I know I've messed up somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and do the 3s, and then I'm going to move over and do the 4s and the 5s. And you can do these with me, or you can pause it and then check yourself, or you can work ahead and then check yourself. That's kind of the beauty of these videos, is that you can do this any way you want. So if you like doing it with me, you could just work with me. If you want to work on your own, you can. But just make sure that at various points you stop and you double check yourself and make sure that the numbers I have written are the numbers you have written. So once again, just make sure that you have everything correctly written on yours, because you'll be referring back to this, and if you have a mistake on here, you'll be sorry later. Thanks.